Our lovely neighbour Roz told us she had wild garlic growing in her border. It has beautiful white flowers. Both the leaves and the flowers are edible, raw when washed. Roz shared with us her delicious wild garlic pesto recipe, and I'm going to demonstrate it in this video. Gather up a good portion of leaves and put them in a bag to keep fresh. Take some flowers, they make a lovely table decoration. Weigh out 75 grams of leaves. Place the flowers to one side. Wash the leaves thoroughly in cold water. Don't worry too much about being gentle here. They're about to be chopped up. Chop the leaves roughly. Grate 25 grams of hard cheese, such as Parmesan. Weigh out 25 grams of pine nuts. Finely chop a clove of garlic. For a two-person portion, half a clove is sufficient. The zest of a lemon. Toast the pine nuts in a medium hot pan until golden. Toss them occasionally. Measure out 75 ml of rapeseed oil. If you want to push the boat out, use truffle oil. Now cram the wild garlic leaves into the blitzing jug. Keep the pine nuts on the move. Blitz the leaves down. Add the lemon zest and the garlic. All of the cheese and the toasted pine nuts. Continue to blend the ingredients while gradually adding the oil. Eventually, the mixture will become a fine pesto paste. Add the juice of half a lemon. Be careful with those pips. Taste and season accordingly with salt and pepper. Blend and taste again. Chop some fresh asparagus and sauté in a large pan with butter. I use the pine nut toasting pan. Bring a large pan of water to the boil. Add some olive oil. Cook your pasta for the required length of time until al dente. Warm your favourite bowls or plates. When cooked, drain the pasta and add to the asparagus pan. Stir well, then add the pesto. Stir again, then cover to warm through. Now the dish is ready to serve. There's a lovely, fresh, zesty, garlicky fragrance to this dish. A drizzle of olive oil. And more seasoning. Some shavings of the hard cheese. Et voila! Hey presto, wild garlic pesto. Serve immediately with a glass of something to your taste.